here at the Oakwood Resort in beautiful Syracuse, Indiana at the Godfrey and Hurricane Dealer Open House.
Our dealers can pick out a Godfrey 300 yards away because of the way it rides in the water. It's just built better than most anything out there.
There's just so much energy and excitement. We get to show the new product. We get to interact with our dealers. We get to really talk about business and plan what the next year is going to be, to talk about the product's experience and be with each other. That's what the best part of the event is.